Our destination is Hermanus. We are looking at a leaking stormwater downpipe from a full bore at the top of the building. So we start by drying the pipe out, pushing some high volume air through the pipe with some heat, and then we need to make the pipe walls rough to prepare it for the epoxy. So we clean the pipe out and roughen up the pipe walls at the same time all the way through, pulling out some silt. Then we go in with the brushes and the delivery hose all the way through to the bottom. You can see a couple of dodgy looking joints along the way and some holes. Then when we get to the bottom, we mix up some epoxy and pump it into the line using a peristaltic pump. And once the epoxy arrives at the destination, we start brushing it slowly into the pipe walls, coating it nice and thick over the joints. And then when we get to the key points, we focus for quite a while, making sure we get a lot of epoxy on the point and create a single skin all the way up to the top, making sure we cover all the joints nicely, nice and thick. And then to finish off, the excess epoxy is used to coat the full bore, bringing it all the way up to the top to seal all the way through to the bottom.